Hey YouTube, hope you're keeping well. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I've got a quick video for you today. We're continuing on with the halogen delete in my 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. For context, I've been slowly removing all of the halogen lights both in the exterior and interior of my truck. I live up here in Canada and we don't have any LED package options from the factory. I believe in the States yourselves can get, I don't know if it's a technology package or some kind of LED package where the truck comes fitted with LEDs from the factory. If I had that option here, I absolutely would have picked that up. All of the trucks in Canada come fitted out with halogens. It doesn't look great. I've pretty much finished replacing all the exterior halogens with LEDs. The headlights, the low lights, the license plate lights, the tail light reverse light, and the fog lights. So now we're moving into the interior. We've got a map light, a dome light, and vanity mirror lights to replace, and we're gonna go ahead and do that install today. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, you like trucks, TRDs, automobiles, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like the video, hit the like button. It helps out the YouTube algorithm, lets me know the content I should be making for yourselves. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I picked up some LED lights. This is not a sponsored video. I did pay for these lights, so I am curious to see how they turn out. So it comes with the instructions, the different sets of lights, and this is super convenient because I accidentally threw mine out, a pry tool. We'll go and take a look at what these, it's like a wand. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter right now. So I got a little distracted. I've been playing this new Harry Potter game on my PC. It's pretty fun, Hogwarts Legacy. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. We're gonna go and take a look at what the halogens look like right now. We'll take a look at what the halogens look like at night. Then we'll go uninstall the halogens and I'll record that. We'll install the LEDs. We'll see what the LEDs look like at daytime and what the LEDs look like at nighttime. Anyways, let's flip to the next clip. I'll just show you what these halogens look like. All right, so we'll go into the front of the truck and show you everything we need to replace. So first two lights here. These are our map lights. We're gonna get rid of these two. The mirror lights, there's gonna be two and two on the passenger side. And then finally, on the back, we have the dome light up here. So, not too many lights, should be a fairly quick install. It's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna take your pry tool and put it in the side, press it in, and then pull out, and this plastic cover is literally just gonna pop off. All right, super straightforward to pull this off. Here's the plastic cover. And yeah, for this, you can just pry it out. So here's the bulb. You'll just find the similar bulb in your package and replace it. I'm just gonna do this one to make sure these bulbs work before taking this other one out. All right, so there will be a plus minus on the bulb. You're gonna want to put plus at the top, and the three yellow dots will just be facing you. So if I open this, you can see that turning on. I'll go ahead and put this cover over. We'll do the next one. All right, halogen has been removed, LEDs in. Let's put the cover over and see what it looks like. All right, let's open it up. Very nice. Let's compare it to the other one. Not only is it a lot brighter, it just looks so much better. Perfect. I'll hop into the passenger and we'll go and do the same. Super easy for the second vanity mirror, LED. That is a very fast and easy job. Perfect. Now let's move over to these map lights and get this fixed up with some LEDs as well. All right, this one is super straightforward as well. You're going to just come into the left-hand side, pry that left-hand side out, and then on this one, it'll be the right-hand side. So whichever side doesn't give way when you click in, it's gonna be this side and then this side. And here is my halogen bulb. This one is actually on, so I need to figure out how to make sure I don't have this as on when I take this cover off. So I think I need to push this one back in to turn it off because it's gonna heat up fast. All right, these things do heat up quick. So when you're taking it out, the plastic cover, Just make sure the light is not on because it's going to get hot when you touch it. All right, so because there's no actual way to get a great grip on these lights to pull them out, you can see they're kind of just fitted up there. Some people have said get some tape, form a loop on the tape, attach the tape to the light, and then pull. So I'm just going to use duct tape and see what happens. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but these are definitely going to be a little finicky to get out. But we'll see how we do. This was super fast and easy. I didn't even make a loop. I literally just stuck the duct tape on and then pulled the duct tape down. So just get some kind of tape, stick it on the light, and then just pull down and it should come right off. I'm using duct tape. Pretty straightforward here for the install. You're just gonna take your LED and fit it in the hole here. Yeah, this one doesn't look like it clips in perfectly, so it will wiggle around a little bit, but that's okay. You definitely don't need to be concerned about it. When you put the cover on, it'll be fine. All right, super quick and easy. Look at that already. And then if we compare, just looks so much better. And there we go. Honestly, that is immensely satisfying when you pull and you hear the click. Let's get the last LED up here. That's probably part of this whole install, or these two lights at the top. But oh yeah, things are coming along nicely already. Looking a lot more modern in here. We literally just have one light left in the bag. Let's go get that done. Hey Lexi, are you ready for some bright LEDs back here? Good girl. She's ready to go inside. She says you gotta hurry up and finish this video. And there's basically just two clips on the left and right at the top. Now you're just gonna pull it off. Quick and easy. Let's go remove this. Yeah, this one is super bright. I had trouble getting it to sit in perfectly. So it's a little bit off. I might fix that, but okay, we're fine. Let's put the cover back on. And there we are. Put the plastic cover back on. And it's looking great. So we'll turn them all on, take a look, and then I'll show you what these look like at night. Here's everything we did today. We did the vanity lights. We did the map lights. We did vanity lights on the passenger. That looks super cool. And finally, we did the dome light. Interior is looking a lot better. Super fast and easy install. And it's gonna shine the most at nighttime. So I'll see you later when the sun goes down. All right, as you can see, it's now nighttime. So let's go into the cab here and take a look at these LEDs. You can see it's so much brighter. You got your vanity mirror lights at the top. Got your map lights. And you got your passenger mirror lights. Just brightens up the whole cab. And we'll go in the back, take a look at the dome light. Oh wow. Just makes everything look a little bit more luxurious in here as opposed to the dimly lit yellow halogen. Much better, much brighter. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.